Hi, how's it going? I just purchased this Gear 2 Neo from eBay with one side was broken and the other side is fine. Okay. I looked around trying to find ways to fix it. There was nothing on YouTube or anything on how to fix it. So I decided to try something and it works very well. This is all I did. I took a piece of this metal ring from this binder and took a lighter and heated it up like that. Now this is how to fix your hinge on your Gear 2. Just get it hot enough to where it's completely right there. And all I did was make a hole, a new hole right straight through with my lighter. It might take a couple times. Just keep pushing it through. It gets a little hot, so don't burn yourself. It only takes a couple seconds. Just turn it red hot. Good to go all the way through just like that. Alright. And then I had taken another piece and I folded it over with a U spot. Got my wristband. Push it through all the way through there. Here, I don't know. There we go. And there we go. Yes, it doesn't look too bad. I mean, when you look at it, you can tell that, I mean, from here, before I got it, it must have been glued or someone else tried to repair it. So, but after that, it doesn't look too bad. There's sometimes I have a little piece trim, I had to trim off on the side there. That ain't nothing. Snip it off with some wire cutters. But after that, completely fine. Nice and strong. Practically free fix on a Gear 2 Neo hinge. I am not responsible for anything you might break, hurt yourself, or anything else. Thank you for watching.